All right. So, Lily, what was this one? What animal is that? It's a bird. What letter does the word bird start with? B. And the B makes a right? So let's sound out each part of the word. Are you ready? B, and bird. B, and bird. Bird. Okay. How about this one? What's that? Teacher. Very good. I'm going to find the teacher one. Okay, this one's a big word. This one's a big one. Are you ready? It starts with the letter what? T. T makes a t. Very good. So let's sound out each part of the word, okay? Teacher. Or that one makes an E, right? Instead of an E. Teacher. Very good. So teacher. We'll say it again. Teacher. Very good. How about this one?
A yellow duck.
A yellow duck. Duck starts with the letter D. Very good. And the letter D sounds like duh. So let's sound out each part of this word. Duck. So the C and the K make a combined k sound, right? Duck. Okay, and the last one is a what?
A white dog.
A white dog. That one is a little far. We're going to do it right here, okay? So,
I can write that.
okay, you can. So you can put that on there after we're done. So dog starts with the letter what?
D.
D, and D makes a
Duh.
Very good. Dog. You want to go and put that?
Dog.
Okay. You did really good. I like that you were able to name the different characters and the letters and what they sound like. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna quickly play a lightning round. I'm gonna do 3 of them. Hey, eyes on me. Okay, here's listening. Alrighty. You're doing good. I know it's really hard. It can be really hard, so you're doing wonderful. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pick a couple, and I want you to tell me what the picture is, what the letter of the word sound, or what letter is it, and what it sounds like. Are you ready? Okay, what's this one?
Fish.
And what's the letter?
F.
Very good. How about this one? This is a bear, and
A bee.
and so and let's do this one.
Sheep.
A sheep, and what letter is it?
S.
S. I know it sounds like very good. Isn't that fun? It's kind of fun to do it where there's a couple of them at a time, and now we're gonna do one more. You ready? This one. What is it? Okay. And it says T. Cheat. You did really good. Well, you did really, really well with listening to the reading and doing this with me. Thank you so much for doing it with me. So, do you know why it's important to know the beginning sounds of words? How about, why do you think it's important to know different parts of a book? It's important for you to know different parts of the book so you know how to read it. So, for example, you read a book left to right instead of right to left, because then you know how the story goes, right? You know that it goes in order. And the reason why you should know the beginning letters and the different sounds within a word is so then you can read it correctly and know what the story is about or what you are reading. And that's why it's super important to know the different parts of a book, the characters, and the letter sounds so you know what you're reading. Okay? You did really good. Can I have a high five? You did awesome.